I'm Pranka and welcome to Pranka's Pathshala. So today I'm here with another sound which is doubly and OR, which are group 4 jolly phonics sound. So today we are going to discuss about doubly and OR. So let's see a story. So one August morning, some children are going to the cornfield where they are going to feed the donkey. What are they going to feed? Some corns and carrots. Now donkeys are feeling very happy. So they please to the children. And what do they say? They say E or. How donkey breathes? Do you know? Do it. E or. So what is the sound of doubly? Doubly sound is E and sound of OR O. Now let's get started. We are going to see a song. See the donkey in its stalk. E O is its call. O. One more time. E O. See the donkey in its stalk. E O is its call. Word which has a E sound in it, like the words are E, B. Next one, J, E, P, Jeep. What next? S, L, E, P, sleep. Now you need to guess more words and you should write in the comment. Now we'll see some O sound words, like the words are B or N, born, K or N, corn, st or storm. Now you also need to write some more words with O sound in it. See you soon with the next sounds. So if you didn't subscribe my channel, do hit the subscribe button for more videos like